kiddos, I'm Bo Bunny. Today, let's learn how to draw and color a ladybug or coccinella in Italian with Ami. We will also learn colors in English and Italian too. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi friends, I'm Ami. Today we're going to draw this really easy ladybug. First, we're going to draw this round, circle-type shape for the head, or in Italian, we say testa. It looks a bit like an egg, doesn't it? Now let's give it 2 eyes. 1 and 2. And a smiley mouth. Now we're going to do the body of the ladybug. So go down, around, and then back up. Good. Now we're going to draw a V shape upside down. So start at the top under the chin and go down, and the top and go down again. Great. Now we're going to draw the antenna. This looks a little bit like a lollipop, doesn't it? And we're going to do 2 of these. Let's draw some spots, because all ladybugs have spots. Now, I'm going to draw 4, but you can do as many as you like. Now, the V section in the middle, we're going to draw lines. So start from one side and draw a straight line across. Great! Now it's time to color the ladybug. But first, we need to outline the ladybug with a thick black marker.
Let's play a game, a happy sound.
Let's speed this part up.
Time to get up and jump around. Jump, jump, jump like a bouncy ball.
We're going to color the face gray, or in Italian, we say grigio. Start by drawing around the borders of the face.
All over town. Can you stomp like an elephant? Stomp, stomp. Can you flap your arms and fly? Can you reach for the bigger sky?
Now let's go down to the stripy part of the body and color that in gray too. So the upside down V, perfect. And then we're going to color each section. Make sure to leave no spaces if you can. And remember, if your picture isn't the same as mine, that doesn't matter. It's important that you have fun.
Here we go. And get ready for the big surprise.
I'm coloring my ladybug red. Or in Italian we say rosso. But did you know that ladybugs can be different colors too? I've seen an orange ladybug and a yellow ladybug.
Yay! We did it!
Remember to stick around to learn today's colors with Bo Bunny. The last color I'm using is black. Or in Italian we say nero.
Hey kiddos, we had so much fun drawing and coloring, but now it's time for the best part. Let's see if we can remember names of the colors we used today. This color is red. Can you say red? Fantastic! Let's say it again. Red. Red in Italian is rosso. Let's say it again. Rosso. Perfetto! Here's an example of something red. This is a red strawberry. Questa è una fragola rossa. Let's see what the next color is. This color is black. Can you say black? Fantastic! Let's say it again. Black. Black in Italian is nero. Let's say it again. Nero. Perfetto! Here's an example of something black. This is a black spider. Questo è un ragno nero. Let's see what the next color is. This color is gray. Can you say gray? Great! Let's say it again. Gray. Gray in Italian is grigio. Let's say it again. Grigio. Ottimo! Here is an example of something gray. This is a gray cloud. Questa è una nuvola grigia. Well, kiddos, that's all for now. Parents and teachers, please subscribe for more fun bilingual step-by-step drawing tutorials for kids. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!